In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Afterpay to your Stripe account in just 5 minutes. If you're looking to enhance your payment options and provide your customers with more flexibility, integrating Afterpay with Stripe is a fantastic solution. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to stripe.com. Once you're on the homepage, look towards the top right hand side of the screen. You'll see an option labeled Sign In. Go ahead and click on that. This will bring you to the login page for your Stripe dashboard. Now you're going to need to enter your email and password associated with your Stripe account. Make sure you've typed them in correctly to avoid any login problems. After you've entered your details, click on the Sign In button. You'll then be directed to the main dashboard of your Stripe account. Once you're successfully logged in, your next step is to navigate to the home page of your dashboard. This is your main control panel where you'll access most of the settings you'll be working with today. Next, look for the settings icon or button on your dashboard. Clicking this will open up a range of options. What you need to do now is find where it says Settings again and click on it. This will take you into the Settings menu where you can adjust various features and integrations. Within the Settings menu, under the section labeled Product Settings, you should see an option called Payments. Click on Payments to proceed. This section is where you can manage all your payment methods and configurations. Once you're in the Payments section, focus on finding the Payment Methods option. Clicking on this will present you with a list of different payment services and solutions that you can activate or deactivate. Now for the main part, scroll down through the list of payment methods until you find Afterpay. This is the payment method we're going to integrate today. Afterpay allows your customers to pay for their purchases in installments, which can significantly increase conversion rates for your store. By following these steps, you'll have Afterpay set up on your Stripe account, ready to offer your customers more flexible payments. Remember, every time you add a new payment method or integration, it's a good idea to test it yourself or with a small group to ensure everything runs smoothly for your actual customers. And that's it, you've successfully added Afterpay to your Stripe account. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. Keep improving your business and don't hesitate to explore other features and integrations that Stripe has to offer. If you have any questions, feel free to check out Stripe's detailed help guides for more information. Good luck!